Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, she's back and she's blonde. She is blonde than ever. Hello, my name is Shalom Blac, aka the famous monster. Guys, if you don't follow me on all my other social media, then you probably don't know why I refer to myself as the famous monster now. I'm just gonna put a little thingy right here so you guys would know. So basically what I decided to do, somebody decided to call me a famous monster because they wanted to be funny or maybe to hurt my feelings. You know, growing up, because of my scar, I was being called monster. But yeah, so I just decided to take that famous monster little insult and make it into something beautiful, because I just feel like, shit, why not? Like, you can't make me feel bad. Like, you tried but you didn't succeed, and I just thought it was such a dope freaking insult. Like, famous monster, I freaking like that. So yeah, from now on, I mean, I'm still Shalom Blac and I still do want to be called Shalom Blac, but I just want you guys to know I am Shalom Blac, aka the iconic famous monster. Shit, we might even have some merchandise coming with that, because I honestly think it's freaking dope, and I'm just like, thanks for the insult. But yeah, today's video I am going to be swatching some of the, actually all of the Fenty Beauty lipstick that just came out. I believe it just came out in December 26th, and I made my purchase and I got my package, like, what was it, like day before yesterday. So I'm like super hyped to swatch this lipstick for you guys. I did try some of them. Actually, I used one. Obviously, guys, I already swatched. Okay, this is me after the swatch. Anyway, so I used one of the lipstick yesterday and I was so surprised because it's a matte lipstick, but it's so smooth on and it doesn't dry your lips at all. It does what do you call it? It does transfer, so I don't think it claims to not transfer. So these are the matte Masoline. I don't know, I'm probably saying it wrong. But yeah, so the packaging is so freaking beautiful and sleek. It does feel very light and cheap, but this is a definitely different package. I've never seen anything like that. So Riri and the Fenty team, you guys really outdid yourself. I love it. I don't think it's a lot of lipstick, and I do believe they are going for, I could be wrong, I'm gonna put the price somewhere in the screen. But yeah, so I got all the 14 shades because I really wanted to see how everything is. I did have to purchase mine. I'm not in the PR. Put me in the PR list. It's like, not no, but seriously, put me in the PR list. Hey guys, so my camera just well, actually my card is completely full and I cannot delete anything out of it yet. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of like a little voiceover before we actually get into this video. But yeah, there are some colors that definitely need lip liners, and some of the colors work perfectly good by itself. So yeah, but anyway guys, so with no further ado, let's just get right into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the swatches. Bye, and remember to always be your own kind of beautiful.
You just lead us up to me, I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me, take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me, I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just lead us up to me, take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. Yeah, look at all this moolah, I got cash now, and a bunch of books in my lap now. All up in your face like a front page, going through your place like a front gate. Gatorade, I sip it till I fade away. Mix it with the vodka, then I'm A-okay. Yeah, looking for that green, I wanna radiate, then sail away like it's 1988. You just lead us up to me, I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me, take a trip to the stars, I can show you it all. You yeah. Don't nobody know while I'm on the road, all up in Japan, running it on my own. Hop off that phone, get it while I can. Picking up all them riches, I'll be digging for that gold. 24, yeah, now I'm ready for it. Drop that thing like I went smoking on the corner. All my homies, they done told me I'm a stoner. That's some jelly-ish, but I don't look like Homer. You just leave this up to me. I can show you my world, we can go through it all. You just leave it up to me.